Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Myra token. Now this is a very popular dog meme coin. I already saw on Pink Sale just today that they were coming out with a whole new bunch of spin-off tokens like Grok Myra or Baby Myra or all these different Myras, because this token did very well. So that's what happens in crypto. When a token does well, then there's a whole bunch of spin-offs. And but we're going to go over this token, the Myra token, because it just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today. New exchange listing, and we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got listed today, January 17th at 6:30 UTC time, so that's already passed. So it's live now. Just got listed today on Poloniex. So if you're looking to get the Myra token, all you would have to do if you don't have a Poloniex account is download Poloniex from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section on Poloniex and search the ticker symbol MYRA, and then simply just buy the token. Now this is a token on the Solana blockchain. It says Myra on Sol. Myra is the wife of Myro, which is another popular meme token with a dog. So that is the male dog, and then this is the wife, the female dog. So technically this token is a spin-off of the Myro token. And they're all spin-offs of Doge, really. So it's funny when people go, this token's fake or whatever. They always say fake because it's like not the original one, but then you guys realize like, Bitcoin's the original one, right? Or if we're going by meme tokens, Doge obviously would be the original one. And then every other token since then that is a dog token is a fake token, you know what I mean? So anyways, that word bothers me when people say fake. Like, what does that even mean, right? Just because it's not the one that they, invested in maybe or something, and so that they're triggered. But anyways, so you can buy the token right off the web page if you want to get it in a decentralized manner. Since this is a Solana token, on their web page they have a button that says chart, so you can check out how the token's doing on Dex Screener. They have the contract address, so you can check out their Sol scan. And then they have a buy button that will take you to Raydium. So if you want to get this token in a decentralized way, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, whatever wallet you're using for Sol, a Coin98, Coinbase, you name it. There's probably 100 choices. Fund that wallet with Solana. Go into the dApps, find Raydium. It might be available also on Jupiter or Orca, or maybe other Solana decentralized exchanges, but definitely Raydium for sure. And then you would trade your Sol for the Myra token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, myracoinonsol.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll try to find that in a second here. So I think it says here 1,837 holders on Dex Tools, but let's check the Sol scan to see if that's accurate here. So their Sol scan here says there's 9 decimal places on this token. Actually doesn't even, or does have holders on here, just 1 sec. So It looks like the token started out as 1 billion, but it's a deflationary token, so it's a little bit over 999,941,000 tokens. Market cap right now is a little bit over $2 million. Token price is around 1/5 of a penny right now, but that could be, very volatile. 9 decimal places on this token. And yeah, so people are getting this token even 1 minute ago off Raydium. But yeah, so you can check out the chart on the deck screener there, and it says they have 1,837 holders, but I'm not sure if that's accurate there, because sometimes it's more. I should have checked there on the Sol Scan. So you click on holders on the Sol Scan. Oh, it doesn't say yet. So this must be. Yeah, I don't know why that's not updated yet. Anyways, it's got a decent amount of holders. Let's just put it that way. 1.3 million trading volume today, it looks like. Yeah, and then it's got the liquidity, $171,000 worth of locked liquidity on Raydium. Fully diluted volume, 1.9 million, and market cap is 1.9 million. So yeah, it's doing pretty well. In the past 1 hour, it's up 11%. And then if you look at Poloniex's Twitter, they were talking about this is in second place today for the new tokens. Went up a whole lot. So the first gainer was MEXC. I just did a video on MEXC today too, so check that token out as well. That one was the top gainer for the day at 1,600% in the green. And Myra is up 1,140% in the green. So following right behind MEXC is Myra. So they both did very well today. And then another one on the list is Zuzulu. That token just got listed on MEXC Global. And I may do a video on this Ferret token as well. I'm not sure. I'll have to check that out, see if there's any info on it. But you can follow Myra's Telegram at Memecoin on Sol, and they have 1,310 subscribers. That's a great place for updates if you want to check that out there. So Myra is the latest Sol-based token. She's the wife of Myro. She is trying to catch up to her husband. The woman behind the best dog on Solana is here. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Raydium, it says there is 0% taxes on buys and sells, so you probably will not have to worry about setting slippage. They're partners with CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, SolScan, and Dex Tools. Cool thing about Dex Tools is sometimes they have audits on there, but I don't think their Dex Tools chart is working yet. You can click on the Dex Screener link, though, and that works for sure. But if you click on the Dex Tools, nothing happens. So they'll probably update that in the future. They have a lot of tweets and a lot of memes. So if you go to this Twitter right here on the screen, you're going to see a lot of updates on there regarding this project. And a lot of cool memes, of course, because this is very much a meme token. There's, little to no utility that they mention anywhere on their webpage. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about Myra? Seems to be doing very well today, though. Let me know in the comments, do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.